Welcome to True Reviews. Today, we're diving into MC Markets, a CFD broker that claims to provide secure, fast, and flexible trading across global markets. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. MC Markets operates under Magic Compass Global Ltd, regulated by the Seychelles Financial Services Authority, and Magic Compass Ltd, regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. These licenses ensure compliance with international financial standards and provide a strong regulatory framework for traders. While they may not be as stringent as top-tier regulators, they still offer a solid level of oversight and protection, helping traders feel secure and confident in their trading environment. MC Markets offers the MetaTrader 5 MT5 trading platform, widely known for advanced tools, fast execution, and customization options. Many traders find it flexible and reliable, though some report occasional glitches, especially on the mobile app. Despite these issues, most users appreciate its functionality. The broker provides 24/7 multilingual support, which is great for global traders. However, some users report slow response times, which can be frustrating in fast-moving markets. While helpful overall, potential delays should be noted. MC Markets boasts a TrustPilot rating of 4.6, indicating high customer satisfaction. However, like most brokers, feedback is mixed. Some users praise the service, while others mention execution speed issues and platform stability concerns. The platform provides over 3,000 financial instruments, including CFDs on Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Due to the significant leverage risk, caution is advised, especially for beginners. So, is MC Markets a broker worth your trust? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more unbiased reviews.